Hi friends, I am Venkat. Today you are going to look at the most important aspect in life, time. Time is the essence of life. It is said that when you do not take care of the time, you don't achieve your particular goals. And we say that time flies off. There's nothing like that. If you can know what you want to achieve with the time. So friends, for this, you need to build up certain awareness. Are we conscious of our time? First of all, when do we become conscious of our time? Only when we have to complete the works in an organization, when you want to execute the works. So friends, the consciousness is a very important aspect. Growing in consciousness of time helps us to understand the importance. And people normally complain that I don't have time. Time for what? Time for everything. Time for your daily exercises. Time for your prayers. Time for the work. Time to relax. Time to even pursue your hobbies. Everything can be done provided we know how to be conscious of our time. Let me take the wonderful example of Dr. Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam always had time for everything. How could he do that? He was a wonderful Rudraveena player, and with the help of one of the doctors, Dr. Somaraju, he came out with a stunt which is used in heart operations, light material used in space. He had time to work on a plant called Jethropa plant for alternate fuel. How could he do all this and still excel in his profession to be the best? Now friends, the utilization of one's time is the key for all this. So let's remember that we can achieve our goals provided we know how to utilize it properly. Thank you.